we look at fasting in Islam, we see that we're required not only to fast from food, but also from water, from juice, from any liquid. Whereas in previous religions, their fast did not involve abstaining from water or liquids. And we see that many doctors who speak about fasting, they only say it's good to fast from food, not from water, because you need the water. It's harmful to your health to keep away from liquids and water for 12 hours, for 15 hours. So how do we reconcile that between Islam's insistence on us to fast for 30 days from water, whereas, let's say, doctors are saying it's not that healthy? What do we respond to that? First of all, if you ask a doctor, what is it that's harmful to your body, to your health? You will be told that dehydration is what is harmful. To dehydrate yourself. Now, if you are fasting in a way that you are not being dehydrated, you're not reaching the point of dehydration, then that is not harming your health. That is not harming your body. It's not harming your organs such as your kidneys or other organs. What is harmful to one's health is what? Dehydration. Now, if someone, you wake up before dawn at suhoor time and you drink enough liquids, especially water, and let's say you're not a construction worker who's working under the sun for 10 hours, you will not be dehydrated. It's very rare that you reach the state of dehydration. So as long as you're not reaching the state of dehydration, then it's not harmful to you. And by the way, our maraja, our scholars have said that if someone is fasting and they reach dehydration, then they are allowed to drink water. If they reach the stage of dehydration where now they're really thirsty and their health will be impacted. One of the problems in society is that people are usually dehydrated, especially with these processed foods and the fatty foods. You need extra water to digest all of that. Now, a doctor in his mind, when he hears someone is not drinking water for 15 hours, the doctor is assuming that you're eating foods and your digestive system is working with processing food. That is, yes, that's poison to you for you not to drink 15 hours water. But when your stomach is completely empty, no food is being digested, 15 hours is not harmful. It's harmful when there's food in your stomach. So that's the first point I would like to say. The second point that I would like to say is that when you research such things, you have to be very specific in your research. It appears from the narrations of Ahlul Bayt, peace be upon them, that it's healthy for your stomach to be empty completely from anything for some time, as that helps excrete the toxins from your body. Toxic chemicals, toxic substances, harmful substances. You know, your stomach, your kidney, sometimes they need to rest too. In the month of Ramadan, it's the opportunity to have them rest as well. So actually, this could have benefits if it's for, let's say, 12 to 15 hours. Yes, I agree with you. If it's more than 15 hours, more than 17 hours, it could get harmful. And that's why there are some scholars today, some maraji' who are issuing rulings that if fasting exceeds 17.5 hours, you can break your fast earlier than that. That's too long of a day. That's not a common day. It's not a customary day. So I believe there are health benefits to completely keeping away from water and from food to give your stomach a break to cleanse itself.